Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Binance Wallet to Hamster Kombat, updated. First, open your Binance Wallet extension and unlock it with your password. Next, confirm you have BNB for gas and check 2FA is active. Then visit Hamster Kombat and locate the Wallet Connect option. Choose Binance Wallet and approve the signature prompts. Stay calm and follow each allow screen to complete the link securely. Start by navigating to the Hamster Kombat dashboard and clicking Connect Wallet in the top right corner. Choose Binance Wallet from the available options, and the extension will pop up a connection request. Carefully review the permissions and confirm you only allow viewing of your address and network. Next, sign the lightweight signature request to authenticate your session without sharing private keys. You will be connected and ready to interact with the game features. Quick recommendation. On another note, these leak-proof containers make snack prep easy between gaming sessions and keep crumbs away from your keyboard. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. I picked these because they seal tightly and stack neatly in a small gaming desk drawer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, take a breath and refresh the site before reattempting the Connect Wallet flow. Verify your Binance Wallet extension is updated and set to the correct network for Hamster Kombat. Try disabling other wallet extensions to avoid conflicts, or open a private window to rule out cache issues. If signature prompts still don't show, restart your browser and try the process again. Usually that fixes lingering permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.